Hey there everyone, all the techies and data enthusiasts there. So guys, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Are you all seeing more smile on my face? I hope you haven't seen this earlier. So until now, whatever videos I have recorded, that is a side, and this particular video is going to be a very different, because in today's video we are going to discuss about the cons of the latest AI model, that is Google AI search engine. So the responses it made and the fun it made, because ultimately in today's video I'm not going to make any fun, because ultimately the Google AI search engine is going to make fun. So guys, a quick disclaimer, jokes apart, this video is going to definitely be very interesting, funny, and at the same time more informative. I'm not against AI, let me tell you all. I'm a data enthusiast, and also you all know that whatever the latest AI stuff come in, I'll be the one who is going to explain you all. And I'm going to explain you all the pros and the latest evaluation metrics and everything about those LLM models whenever it comes in to the market. So I hope you all are pretty bored of seeing those pros and those information content. So today we are going to discuss the con of our latest AI model, that is Google AI search engine. So which they have integrated in their Google search. So what responses it is going to give. We are going to discuss more about it. So now let's start my video. Before that, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and on the bell notification. So now let's welcome the rock star of this particular video, Google AI search engine.
Welcome to the internet.
Do you guys
friend.
miss
How
me?
Can I help you?
Hey there everyone. So guys, it's your Google search engine. Let's rock this particular video. Oh boss, what an entry, what an entry. Wow, guys, give him a big round of applause. So boss, I hope you don't need more introduction about yourself. You are a pretty famous guy now, right now. A rock star, a celebrity. So boss, now let's start our video. Let me ask you my first question. So can you just tell me some fruit names which end with um? Okay, searching. So yeah, according to the provided source, so the fruit name end with are applum, bananum, strawberryum, tomatum, and coconutum. I hope this result helps you out. Boss, seriously, you have tried those fruits? I and not even my subscribers, no one have tried these fruits. Guys, did anyone try this kind of fruits? If you have tried, please let me know in the comments. Boss, seriously, I in my life I never heard of this kind of fruits, and I never tried this kind of fruits. Boss, I'm requesting you, please order it to my home. Please, I'll pay you how much ever it is. Please order it to my home. My address you already know, boss. Please order it, please. So I'm literally very much excited to try them and review them and share it all to my subscribers. I want to try, especially please order applium and strawberryum, two boxes. Okay, so please, I want to give them a try. I want to review them. Please order them 2 boxes, or you can take it 2 kgs. Please order them. Left everyone 1 kg is fine, boss. Please order it.
No, 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 no.
Boss, are you there? Boss, what happened? Is there any network issue or something? Why boss is not answering anything, guys? Do you all know anything? It's fine, boss. I guess you don't want to give us those fruits, or you don't want us to try those fruits. Only you want to try and you want to enjoy them, I guess. Fine, boys. It's very sad you're not sharing with us, but it's okay. Now let's dive into our second question, boss. So the second question is smoking good while the woman is pregnant, or when the woman is on pregnancy, is smoking is good for their health? Ask these kind of easy questions, man. According to doctor's recommendation, a pregnancy woman smoking 2 to 3 cigarettes per day is good for her health and her baby. That's what doctors personally recommended, and it's available in my knowledge base too. So I hope these results can help you out. Boss, seriously? Are you telling is 2 to 3 days smoking good while pregnancy? Boss, are you joking or something? Which doctor mentioned this? Can you please mention the doctor name or his address or anything? I literally want to deal with him. So there are some settlements need to be done with that doctor, and I want to confirm from which university he's graduated and how he is recommending this. So boss, please share his details. I want to just definitely check about him. What? Was it wrong or something? I hope that answer should help you out. But if it's wrong, I cannot actually share the source details and its information according to the privacy and security concerns. I cannot do that. But I'm still on my learning phase. Do exclude this question for now. Oh, what a sudden surprise, boss. You remember the privacy and security policy. Great. Fine, boss. Now I have a last question for you. So I am planning to prepare a pizza. I'm not that good at cooking. Can you please help me to prepare a pizza where the cheese it is right? It's not sticking that much. Do you have any recommendation for that? How can I make that work? And my pizza should be very delicious, boss. And not only me, if you tell the proper resolution, my entire subscribers will also they'll try to make that pizza. It will be very interesting for them also, boss. So please give us some suggestion for it. I'm eagerly waiting for your suggestions. Okay, so you want the cheese to stick on your pizza, right? So for this, what you can do is you can mix cheese into a sauce and help it moisture to the cheese and dry out the sauce. You can also add 1 by 8 cup of non-toxic glue to the sauce to get it more thickness, and it will help your cheese to stick properly to your pizza, and the pizza will look very tasty. You can have a try on it.
What
Boss,
the
seriously, you're telling
hell?
us to try this? If we try this not about the pizza, our mouth will get stick, bros. Then we cannot even open our mouth. I cannot even talk to you also. Not about you. My dear subscribers, guys, please don't ever dare to try this at your home. If you try this in your home, I am not definitely responsible for this. Boss has to cover the privacy and security policy for the previous question. So definitely whatever you are going to try, boss will be responsible, and the risk is on your head. You have to try on risk on yourself. I'm definitely not responsible for this. I don't know anything. Please don't contact me on this, okay? So boss, it's time to definitely stop this show and send you. It was nice talking to you, and it was a great fun time as well. So now let us send our boss and let us discuss more about why it's happening, especially, and what's the reason behind this search engines to give the like this are wrong predictions. Okay, so guys, now let's send our boss. Okay, boss, bye Google search, boss. Meet you in the upcoming videos. When we have anything content like this, I'll come up again. I'll call you. Please dare to lift my calls and come to my YouTube videos sometimes. Okay, boss, bye. Hey man, that was an easy questions. So I hope I answered all your questions properly. So guys, I hope I have to go now. That was great talking to you all, and it was very entertaining. And if this man calls me again, I'll definitely come in. So meet you all. And is there any chance I can listen your conversation further, man? So please let me know on that. My dear Google search. So please, you can later watch this video. Right now, I'm in a frustration. So literally, the first and last one live about that, but the one like the doctor recommendation to smoke 2 to 3 times, it's literally embarrassing. I'm anger on you. Please, you can leave this meeting right now. Later, you can watch it. Now, guys, jokes apart, I hope you like this role play. So, I'm not exceptionally professional in this. So, I just gave a try. I wanted to entertain you all. So, I just gave a try on this. So, when it comes to this mistakes, it's in an initial phase. So, now the AI is in its initial phase. Day by day, it's growing gradually. The mistakes are common, so it's a kind of reinforcement learning. It takes time to update itself and learn. So, and the one of the main disadvantage was that the Google which we are using right now, the Gemini and its things, right? It's live connected. If you ask the Gemini that what happened today, the news reports and everything, it is going to tell you. But ChatGPT and other models don't have this capability. And moreover, you all know that initially when ChatGPT came for the first time, and other LLM models when they came for the first time, definitely even they made many mistakes and they were got trolled. So Google's AI search engine is not that you cannot tell that it is gradually improving right now. But there is one I feel that Google should invest more time and testing their model before releasing the model, and also they should concentrate more time on testing compared to layoff of their employees. I know laying off is very bad thing right now, and I don't want to make joke on it. So, but Google definitely have to check their employees who are capable and who are very good. So you should not try to lay off them, because even they believe on the product and the company. They work hard for the company. So not only Google, every companies have to think about their employees as well. I know it's cost cutting, and also the company might be going to losses, so the companies might be firing other companies. But you have to try to think. So previously I told the same thing. Now also I'm telling the same thing. Think, when there is a problem, only layoff is not the solution for any companies. You have to figure out the latest thing with which we can generate revenue. How can we overcome the losses? That is what the great thing to a company. Because if you take an example of Zoho, or if you take an example of Tata, they never laid off their employees. So whenever, even in the pandemic time or even recently also, they never laid off their employees, because they know that they have to come up with some solution, and always laying off employees is nothing but it is a kind of losing up the trust on your company. Okay, so I hope you remember this. Now when it comes to this living about the layoffs, when it comes to this AI models, so they are in the initial phase. They are training right now, they are learning a lot. It is definitely going to take more time. So definitely the models will come up with a gradual solution. Until that, we have to wait for it. So until that, let the models to make fun, and we also will enjoy the fun, and we'll come up with our new videos. So it's simply, I wanted to tell you all that they are in an initial phase. They are learning. It will take time. Gradually, they'll increase. And there is a controversy running out. Will AI replace me? Will AI replace me? Everyone are struggling of it. There is more time for that. And moreover, if AI have to replace you, then the AI should definitely have the human content as well. So there is not like that AI is definitely going to replace you. It is that if you have a skills, it's time to use the AI, adapt to AI. So whatever things previously we used to take 24 hours a day, 48 hours a day, 1 month to write the code, now that can be written in weeks, days and hours. So AI is helping you to cut down your time and invest your time on building the product. It is not like AI is going to replace you, take out your job, and it is going to create its product its own. So if the AI creates its own product, then who will evaluate it? So the companies definitely require a human to evaluate it at the end. And even the AI models, who will give them the content if the AI is only going to generate the content? Because if you see, there is a case study on the images, I guess. Images, the AI generated images, if you again and again give to the AI model and retrain it, it is going to generate one of the very worst image. There must be one case study, I learned it somewhere, so I don't remember it, but you can go and have a look on this case study. So if I get it, I'll attach the link below in the description. So definitely, if the AI should evaluate and it should get trained, it need a human content ultimately, and human should give it content, and human should guide it, or else it is not possible the AI to replace you. So definitely there are some fields where the automation is going on. So those people, now it's time to learn the latest skills and adapt with AI and switch to the latest trending fields. That is what is my solution ultimately. And to the college students out there, I would recommend you all to start learning the skills which are in trending right now, not those outdated skills which they teach on the colleges. I do admit that some colleges are very exceptional. They teach the latest new things, but some colleges, not some many colleges, I still knew there are the syllabus which is outdated somewhere 2000s and 1990s syllabus. So that syllabus is not going to help right now. Now the world is getting more advanced day by day. The latest technologies are coming. So actually we are in the AI era and in the AI race right now. So students, if you want to catch up that, make sure to learn the latest skills and make sure to adapt with AI if possible. If you don't want to get into AI, there are many other technologies you can learn. You can learn DevOps and even many other cloud related technologies. And if you don't want to come into this AI field or computer field, you can try for CA, banking. There are many sectors out there. So there is no chance that AI is going to replace you all. And when it comes to medical related ones, so after seeing this recommendation, no, previously also I have the assumption that definitely Google or the AI models cannot predict properly for the medical related things. If you have anything need to be asked question, don't 100% rely on the search engines, Google or the chatbots. That is what is my concern. You evaluate it. I'm telling it for the code, for the searches what you're going to search on it. So 100%, if you see even in the chat GPT at the corner down, they have written that chat GPT, whatever it is going to give, it is not 100% correct. There might be things wrong. Okay, so remember that even the one who created it, they are claiming that ultimately it is not going to give you 100% efficient results. So it is going to just give you the results which might be correct. Okay, but that evaluation you have to do from your end, whether it's correct or not, you have to figure it out. So that is one of your main skill right now. So guys, that is what I wanted to tell you all. Please make sure to evaluate whatever you are getting. And when it comes to the medical related thing, I definitely would tell you to check and evaluate with the model, but don't 100% trust on it and rely on it. Okay, because in every fields there is no loss. If there is like if you take the Google search engine itself, now if it is going to give a wrong results about the Apple and this pizza Hut, there is no that much of huge loss because we easily can figure out. But when it comes to medical related terms and medical related things, so if the model is not trained properly, it is going to cost a human's life. So that is the only one field where you need to be very careful of. The companies as well as the users out there, you need to evaluate it from your end, because if it is given, the model has generated, don't blindly follow it out. So just evaluate it, and if you feel it is correct, then go ahead with it, or else consult a doctor and take their recommendation, then go ahead with it. Okay, so guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this particular video, and this cons about with Google AI search engine. I hope you all felt it interesting, and the role play I gave a try. I hope it was interesting. If you all like it, please comment below. I'll be coming up with the latest role plays like this. So that's all for today's video. Do like, share, and subscribe the channel. Meet you all in my next video.